Hi friends, hi Ajay this side. Today I bring another breakthrough about the stock market prediction. So previously I had uploaded some of the videos, and recently I had uploaded how 4-line code can change your life. Definitely, uh, if somebody will able to implement that thing, definitely he'll be understanding some of the facts of the stock market. But today I'll bring something more introductory and more informative about the stock market. And the model I'm going to show you today is built in Keras. Back at the back end, I have used TensorFlow, and this is a big model. Not the 4-line one, but really big. Uh, in this model, what I do, I just take 6 layer of bidirectional RNN. Thereafter, I taken two different layer of RNN and merge it. Thereafter, I just used radio activation function. After that, I again used two different RNN layer using bidirectional. Thereafter, merge it. Then dense layer, and finally the advanced activation function PRN. Yeah, that's a big model. If you will see about what I'm going to show you today, you will see that the architecture of model is huge, but at the same time, the prediction accuracy of this model is also good. Uh, right now, I can only show you the model up to 1924, but for getting more and more accuracy, you need to run this model for more than 100 and 150 so you will get more and more accurate model. So meanwhile, let me tell you how this model works. So this is not the model that you take in stock market. Do not work like that as you used to think about it. The stock market works in a different manner. Okay, you can get the prediction of one day. You can get the prediction of 4 hour, 5 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour, 5 minute, 6 minute. Okay, it suits upon you that what type of model you like. And with the help of deep learning as TensorFlow, Thaino, Keras, uh, and the 3D visibility of the architecture of neural network, and yeah, it's a replica of human brain. So we can build any type of model and do any type of prediction, or we require to do the fetch the data from the internet and make data according to our requirement. Like if I want the 4 hour prediction, that means I need to create such a data which is having uh, the value with a difference of 4 hours. And I'll do what I do. I make a closing target. I'll make the target vector of closing price of after 4 hours and input as sorry and input price as open, low, high, close, volume, total invention, and many more, like from which company it's belongs from and what type of stock it is. But it is really a myth that you think only a single model would be able to do prediction in all stocks. That's really impossible because every stock has a different behavior, just like human being. Human being is also behave differently. Okay, like me, I'm good at certain thing. I'm not good at, and we won't be getting prediction like if a market is getting close at 7.25, okay, at 5 p.m. So don't imagine that you'll be getting exactly 7.25 value. You'll be getting most likely 7.24 and or 7.26. These are the variance. Okay, so regression model always have some variance, and it only give you a trend following of the market. Okay, that means if I'm having money today and I really want to invest on stocks, so what I do, I'll use my prediction system and see what is going to happen with different stocks. And if I'm and my model give an high, after 4 hours on a particular stock. Like right now, the stock value is 10, and I'll be getting hike around. My model shows that at the evening the model is going to close around 11. Okay, that means this indicate I should invest on that stock, and I'll be getting money at the evening time. So this is the model we are in uh, already working on, and it's about to live within this month, the fully deployed version. So people can use it and buy the credential and earn some money. Okay. So meanwhile, without wasting your time, let me go to the model first and tell you how my new model works. Uh, and yeah, I love. So here I go. This is my model today. As I told you, it contains 6 layer of bidirectional and activation relay. Thereafter, I used 2 bidirectional layer and merged it with some mode. After that, I again use bidirectional model with simple RNA and merge it with some mode. Thereafter, I just return a false sequence of model so that I can apply dense layer after that and PRNA. This is all about model. Okay. While I run the program, it will start executing, and you will see like something like that. It asks me to, yeah, definitely grab the model, open, and it will go on for training. Like you can see, the training is getting started. It takes some time. So here's model is going on training. So yeah. So after 5 or 6 epoch, you can see a model is achieved a loss ratio of very low, and it is more stable model than I showed before, and it's really a model which can help you guys if you would be able to build it. You understand the strategy of stocks. You can make the data accordance to your requirement. If you are not able to do this, just contact us. We are here for help you out, guys. So after successive iteration, you will see there is a trend following output you will be obtained, and it will give you an exact estimation of market up and downs and what is going to happen today. So this is quite simple model, but rather complex. Let me show you actual architecture of the model. Let me go to the text flow. So this is the model. Let me make it zoom so that you people can be able to see. It contains some input layer, bidirectional activation, bidirectional activation, bidirectional, thereafter activation, bidirectional 4, bidirectional 5, bidirectional 6, thereafter 2 bidirectional, and merging, again 2 bidirectional, thereafter merging, then a bidirectional which return a false sequence. As you can see here, the input sequence is none 3256 and output sequence is none 1024. Finally an activation, dense, and PRL. This is the model. And yeah, you can uh, write down this large model in few lines only. So training is going on. Meanwhile, let me tell you something more about it. So is you can get the data from Yahoo, Google Finance, and when you fetch the data, don't fetch the data of day. Try to fetch the data of early, or rather prefer 5 to 10 hour and half-hour data. When you fetch the data of 10 and 5 hours, 10 and 5 minute data, and more, you require a data more than 10 years minimum, because if you have less data, then deep learning will not work on it. So for getting more accurate prediction, you require more and more data. And at the beginning, you just fetch the data of 10 minute or 20-minute data, so that you can recreate the data in accordance to your requirement. And definitely the model give you more and more accuracy. I just there's a training going on. Yeah, it will take some time. That's why I perform very less number of epoch this time. And as you can see, after 19th epoch, the loss ratio is achieved around 0.1% losses. So thereafter, you can after successive iteration, you will get an plot, and you will see. You can see here you obtain a plot. Let me show you again. So this is the actual prediction of stocks. You will see there's it following the trend, and with the time it is all we almost obtain an overlapping plot. When you run this model for more than 100 and 200 epochs, then you will get a line which is almost overlapping with this massive model. Okay, definitely uh, for running the 100 and 200 epoch, you require a GPU. I have okay, method one. Second thing, you you need patience, because it almost takes 1 or 2 hours for getting trained. Once the model get trained, you will save the model at the drive, and next time a prediction model you require to build. That model is fetch the pre-trained model and do prediction according to your requirement. In a stocks market, every day model need to get trained. Uh, in stocks model every day get trained at the back end. Okay, you can use any type of cloud service like Amazon Web Services, AWS web services, Google Cloud Services, Heroku is one of the platform I really simple, and I like it. But when you want to do the massive processing, I rather prefer the Google Cloud platform. But in a Google Cloud platform, you need to recreate this model in TensorFlow. I'll show you someday how you can create a Keras model into TensorFlow. And in Google Cloud platform, whenever you build the model, you require to save that model in accordance to what are the uh, that for what exactly the steps of following steps of saving model in Google Cloud platform. So uh, also in AWS, you need to create a mini server. When you create a mini server, you deploy their model. While it give you the prediction at the evening, it fetch the today's data, and it will retrain itself. So this model, when you deploy this model, it requires minimum 2 to 3 hours every day for get trained and give you the prediction. Okay, so in the morning, in the meantime, you will get the data. It takes okay. So when you want a quick prediction system, what you require to add some transfer layer over it. Likewise, I build this model, I train it and save it on Google Cloud. At the time of training, it takes almost 12 hours. Okay, I deploy this model in Google Cloud. Okay, and I get the prediction of today. Okay, and what? Okay, but what I need to do, I need to add today's data also on that system. Okay, and data is also on that format. What type of format I used in previous data. So that time what happened? One thing you can do, you can use the server and leave the platform for the training for 2 or 3 hours, and that will cost you more. Another thing, what you can do, you can add the today's data on another layer. Okay, and it will get added to previous year, and in that case you can save your memory, save your money, and model give you the prediction. This is what we do. So I guess this is enough for today. Okay, I'll show you some of the videos and some of the implementation of me tomorrow and day after tomorrow. I'll be stay in touch with you, and cheers guys. Goodbye.